Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are back with a Village Nature Paris and Disneyland Paris vlog. Or if you have never seen my face before, hi, my name is Marloes, and in my vlogs Danny is also participating. And today it is also Danny's birthday.
It's my birthday!
Happy birthday!
I will do what I like.
So wish him a happy birthday in the comments. Right now we are sitting in a car, as you could probably tell by the background and all the driving noises. We still need a 1.5 hour drive to do. We still need to do that before we arrive at the Disney parks. Unfortunately, we can only check into Village Nature Paris between 4 and 5 in the afternoon. So we decided to first head into the Disneyland parks, and then later on in the afternoon we will drive to Village Nature Paris to see how that looks, what it is like, because it is the first time that we are going to see if we are going to like it over there. So, and this is going to be a 4-day trip, so it is probably going to be a pretty long vlog, or maybe I will decide to make it 2 parts, but you will know before I do. Yeah, so we are going to drive a little bit further and we will see you at the parks. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and also hit the little notification bell so you will be updated on all the new videos and vlogs I post on this channel. And while you're at it, also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy these travel and Disneyland vlog videos. And without further ado, let's get into this vlog. Alright!
Alright.
As you can see, we are in the park right now, the main park. We did not do Phantom Manor. We are standing in front of Phantom Manor.
It's out of order.
It's out of order. We did Pirates and we did the Big Thunder Mountain right behind us.
That's it?
And the Big Thunder always creates a lot of background noise. We wanted to do Phantom Manor, but unfortunately it is closed. But I guess it will open pretty soon. But for now we are just going to do a little bit more of the rides, maybe shop a little bit or just look in shops and eat. He always wants to eat, so.
It's my birthday.
It's his birthday. He's been saying it's his birthday for like 100 times in a minute, so it's definitely his birthday.
I will do what I want.
Yeah.
I will do what I like.
So yeah, we are going to have a little bit more fun and I will keep you updated. We are sitting back in the car. We are driving away from the parking lot right now because we are heading to Village Nature Paris. We have had a full and fun day, but right now we really want to check in and see if the room is any good at Village Nature Paris. And in a minute I will also... how many minutes? In a minute. And when we get there, I will obviously show you guys the room, do a little room tour, because when we arrive, it is probably going to be very neat and tidy. And when we spend one night over there, it is probably going to be an incredible mess. So right now we are driving 7 minutes from the parking lot at Disneyland Paris to Village Nature Paris, and we will see you over there. We are in the little VIP apartment right now, and it is pretty warm here, so I cannot wait to throw everything open, windows open, doors open, so it can cool off a little bit. But we are staying at a 2-person VIP apartment, VIP cottage, and we have room number 1361. Just for reference, this is the front door. And I'm going to turn you around and do a quick room tour because now it is still neat. So this is the look right when you enter the door. I have not seen anything yet. So on my left we have a little room. And this is just a little toilet area. Nothing fancy, just a mirror, a little sink, a toilet paper, and a window. Does not want to focus. Right here you have a full-length mirror. Hello. And not really sure what this is. Okay, some storage, I guess. Yeah, you can even vacuum the place if you want to. And a safe down at the bottom. Some storage that you can put your coats and your bags. Right here we have a bedroom. The vibe and the style is pretty cool. Hopefully the bed is comfortable. We even have a little crib for a child, but we do not have a child, so we don't have any use for it. A TV, curtains, and pretty cool lamps. I'm going to back away through the same door because you can see the rest when I'm going the other way. The living room area with a birthday boy on the couch. The vibe is pretty cool. I really love the art, wooden art deco stuff. A mirror. A little kitchenette with a place to eat breakfast. A little microwave and a fridge. And also you can even cook your own meals. A toaster, a kettle, and a coffee machine. Even a dishwasher, and I believe, yeah, we also have a lot of utensils. Even pans. Like, there is a lot of stuff here, so that is great when you are staying for a longer period of time. Plates. More glasses. Like, it is fully stacked in the kitchen. An empty fridge with just some water bottles. But yeah, so far I'm not mad, I'm not mad. A TV, even a fireplace, which is pretty awesome, pretty cozy for the winter months. What is this? Okay, even more storage and some more chairs. And right here you have more, even more storage. There's a lot of storage right here. Some, how do you call this? How do you call this? I've completely forgotten the word. Bathrobes? I'm not sure. Let me know what this is called. You have 2 bathrobes. And right here you have a sink with some welcome toiletries. This is pretty cool with the lighting and all. I really love the style of this place. Right here is the bedroom that I already showed you guys. What is here? More storage. Even a blow dryer, that is also good to know. And the best part about this whole VIP apartment has got to be this one. Right here you have a bathroom, it's pretty echoey. A full-on shower and a bubble whirlpool bathtub. It is so warm in here, oh my god. But it looks amazing. Cannot wait to dive into this one because I am really into a bath and a bubble bath, like you name it. I want to go in there. So yeah, this is the main reason why we picked this VIP apartment. So this is the first glimpse of the inside. And we also have some more space outside. How does this work? Whoa! With a lot of power. We also have a little deck, which is all to ourselves. A cool egg chair. A little umbrella and some more seating area. And you can even relax on these 2 chairs right here. So yeah, VIP cottage. First impression, pretty goddamn good. Over here you actually have the Aqua Lagoon. So that is the swimming pool. And yeah, looks pretty cool. View of the lake. And over here you have more of the promenade or whatever you may call it. So yeah, I can happily stay here for 4 days. So yeah, that is the first impression of this place. Pretty good. I hope the bed is soft, but I will update you on that tomorrow when we had a good night's sleep. And the weather is actually picking up because it was cloudy most part of the day, but now it is really sunny. So yeah, we are going to chill right now, unpack our stuff and just relax a little bit. So I will probably catch up with you guys tomorrow. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this day, but we will definitely see you later on in this week. Bye! Good morning on day 2. It is bright and early. Well, is it early? No, it is almost 10:30. It is not that early. We made a full 12 hours of sleep last night because we were so tired. But right now we are fully charged. We have been dressed and we packed our stuff to head out for day 2 to the parks. And are we still going to do our traditional day 2 to the studios?
Yes, but still, first you're gonna breakfast by Earl sandwich.
Yeah, then he really wants to head to breakfast.
It's my after birthday breakfast. Yeah.
After birthday breakfast, yeah. We are going to head over to Earl of Sandwich in Disney Village to get some breakfast. And after that we are probably going to pop into the Studios Park in the hopes that it won't be too busy. But right now, this is the morning view. The weather is pretty nice. It's supposed to be 26 degrees Celsius, if I'm correct.
Wake up with the sound of screaming crows.
Yeah, there is a lot of wildlife here.
Crows, yeah.
It is still a little bit cloudy, but the sun is beaming through. So, yeah. Pretty excited for day 2. Not really sure what the day is going to bring, because we are just going to see how the day is going to go. I'm not really sure if that is in normal sentences. But yeah, first thing, we are going to hop to the park to get some breakfast. And obviously I will keep you updated throughout the day. Bye! So I'm back with a little update, because I've got the feeling that I haven't spoke to you in like forever. The day went by a little bit different than we planned at first sight, because we planned to go to the Disneyland Studios first, but we checked the app while having breakfast and it was extremely crowded, extremely busy in that park, so we went to the normal main Disneyland Paris Park. And over there the crowd was okay, it was not too busy, still was a lot of crowds, but the maximum waiting time was approximately 30 to 40 minutes, so it was okay. It also was really warm today, so we also had a nice little swim at Aqua Lagoon at Village Nature Paris. That's why I'm not wearing any makeup right now. Danny is coming outside with a little snack, because we have been chilling on our outside deck. Not really sure how to call it, but we have this little space right here where we can chill. So we have been chilling here for an hour, I guess, half an hour. And right now it is a little over 9 o'clock and we are just going to chill a bit and end the evening very chill. Not really sure what we are going to do tomorrow, but I will definitely keep you updated. Good night!